Hey Gemini, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. This could be the one. You've already met the romantic partner you seek. Healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. And then I'm seeing reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. Oh, Lord, I've been seeing it go, excuse me, two ways all day long. Mine is maybe 1, 2 signs, but nope. So, Gemini, I'm still being pushed to tell y'all this. Okay, I'm going to give it to y'all both ways because I'm more so picking up past, but something is saying to tell it to you guys the other way as well. Alright, so look. I feel like there's somebody new coming in. It's one of those things where... Ooh, it's picking up on too many of y'all. Okay. Either you haven't met this person just yet, or for some of you guys, you're already, I feel like you're already talking to this person. Something like, it's too many of y'all. So just take it however it fits. But Spirit wants you to open up a little bit more. And express yourself, you know, really, you know, try to put yourself out there. Because this person, excuse me, that you're dealing with, this could be the one for you. You know, I feel like some of you guys are still holding on to things that could have taken place in the past. You know, whether you have a family with someone or, you know, issues that you have with, you know, your family. And I feel like you have to heal from that because this person coming in could be really, really good for you. Or like I said, if you already met this person, this could be somebody really good for you. And yeah, they want you to give them a chance. Now, for others of you, this is definitely somebody from the past coming back to express how they really feel about you because they know that you're the one for them, but they're trying to heal a family situation, you know, that they're in, or they're trying to heal some type of like childhood trauma that took place because they're still holding on to a lot of like hurt, anger. It's just something that took place in their past, but I am seeing that they're coming back to make, to have a reconciliation with you. I just heard trust. So yeah, they broke your trust. As I said, I'm more so picking it up for the past person, but I am being pushed to tell you, for some of you guys out there, I do feel like there is somebody new coming in. So, let's just see how this plays out. Okay. Alright, let's see. Bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the Page of Swords reversed. So, this is letting me know that, I'm telling you, somebody's trying their best not to look back at the past. So, let's see. It's gonna flip up like that. But it's still a back and forth energy because I'm seeing that somebody is trying to clear away obstacles, excuse me, and not be frustrated, but they are. So let's see what's going on. Clarify the 7 of Wands, please. Yeah. This person, I'm telling you, this past, they want to come back and they want to give you an offer here, but they need to speak up. This person, they hide how they feel. That's why express your love is here. Some of you could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. But see, this person needs to remove themselves from a third-party situation, whether it's love, interest, friends, family, career, whatever's been standing in the way. But see, they're having a hard time, you know. I feel like the fact that they messed things up with you. Tell me more. It's a lot of regret. Somebody could be dealing with the Sagittarius, but this person definitely wants to balance things out. I'm seeing that they're making a decision, but they're still moving slow. So whoever you guys have been dealing with, they were moving slow in the past, and they're still moving slow now. It's like this. They need to come on, because they're irritating me, okay? So anyway, I'm seeing that they do want to start over and build with you, but the way that came out, there's still some hesitation here. Yeah, there's fear. They feel like you don't want to build with them anymore because they've been taking too long. Somebody could be dealing with the Capricorn. But see, they're coming out of this energy of worrying, of being frustrated that things didn't, you know, play out as they should have played out a long time ago. Let's see. Tell me more. Yeah, they don't want you to walk away from them at all. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. But I feel like this person wants to come back to you, Gemini, to speak their truth. Yeah, because see, they were being sneaky. They're going to have to come back and be honest. Maybe they were being sneaky because of a family situation. Or it could have been somebody from their past. But I feel like they want to move things forward with you. But because of the fact that they were being sneaky, it's like they're losing hope. Because they know that they hurt you. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But see what I'm saying? Truth. They're coming to speak their truth to you. Gemini. You could be dealing with another Gemini. But this person knows that it's like they didn't balance things out. They didn't do right by you. And that's why I'm seeing a lot of communication coming in. They're coming to talk to you. But see, just the way the Queen of Wands came out and where she just dropped, you see what I'm saying? There's two people here. I'm seeing two women. It could be two men. But there was definitely interference. So, Queen of Wands reverse, mother. Somebody's mother or a mother figure. If they have kids, mother of their child. It's something like that. This person was standing in the way, and now, see what I'm saying? It's like now they want to come back and speak their truth. They want to tell you what was going on. They want to let you know, okay, yes, I know I effed up, but at the end of the day, like, I want to come back and make things right with you. Because, see, they want to balance things out with you, but they were still giving to whoever this person is over here. See what I'm saying? I can't make this up. There's two women. I can't make it up. Hell, it could have been three. But you see what I'm saying? It's a lot of moving parts here, okay? So, somebody could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But this person did take a financial hit dealing with whoever this is, whether it's friends, family, love interest. They were constantly giving to this individual. That's the problem. Tell me more. Yep, they're ready to move away from them. They want to move forward with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. They want to heal things with you. And I feel like they know that you're moving on. See? That's why they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a commitment with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Somebody also could be dealing with the Virgo. But I feel like somebody's needing to get out of something that they were committed to. You know, and this was a lesson for them. That's why they're sitting back trying to figure out what to do. See? They're weighing up their options. They're trying to make a decision right now. Because they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a victory with you. Because they left you out in the cold, Gemini. Alright, so clarify judgment reverse. What's their decision? Clarify judgment reverse, please. More so down. So, they know what they want to do, but they're just afraid that things may not work out with you. Yeah, see? They feel like they're not going to have a new start. Somebody could be dealing with the Scorpio. There's definitely some type of home or family. I mean, I was just about to say because I'm seeing fours. So there's definitely some type of like home situation or a family situation. Remember, I did see healing family issues up here. So because of this commitment that they had to a family situation, this is why they're afraid they're not going to have a new start with you. And they're worried about it. See? Because they didn't balance things out with you. Because of some type of family situation, and now they're afraid you're going to cut them off for good. Somebody's dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. See? And they don't have a peace of mind. This person still feels stuck in some type of situation, and it is affecting their finances because, yeah, right now they're feeling like they're not financially where they would like to be. But I'm seeing that they would like to have happiness with you. Yeah, they're not confused. They're wanting to come forward, but see, they're having a hard time right now. Somebody's dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I'm seeing they're going to make a decision. I feel like that's them removing themselves from a third-party situation. But they're afraid things may not improve with you. But they're still going to have the strength to come back towards you to speak their truth. See, because they had you waiting around for them. And they don't want you to wait. Because, see, look, they want a commitment with you. They want to make this right. They want a new opportunity with you, and they're confident about it. I'm telling you, they know who and what they want to do. They're still hesitating. They're still moving kind of slow. See? They don't want you to cut them off, Gemini. Somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But it's like, even though they want to move fast, I feel like this person, they're still holding back. They're still feeling, I feel like, stuck in a situation, even though they're, to me, the way this is picking up for me, I feel like they can easily get out of it, but they have to make that decision to do it. See? They're going to have to put in the work. But they're afraid that it's too late. They feel like they lost you for good. But see, Spirit is saying they're not listening to their intuition, because they can have this with you. They can give you this offer that you deserve. I'm seeing an offer coming in. It's like this person, that wishy-washy energy, them coming in and out of your life, they don't want to do that with you anymore. But they're still dragging their feet. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But this person, they want things to improve. They just don't know if it's going to happen. Back and forth with the moon. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. But yeah, this person is afraid of speaking their truth. And it's more so they're afraid of you rejecting them. See? Not having a new beginning. There's the Empress. Clarify the Empress. This person definitely wants to have a new start with you. Oh, Lord. Okay. For some of you, I have to say it. For some of you guys, this person could have a child or children with someone. Maybe someone could be pregnant. And that could be why they're hesitating, you know, because I keep picking up home, family. You know, yes, they want a new beginning with you, but now they're like, okay, it's this other situation where there could be kids involved, you know, and even though they're in this home situation with this other person, they're not happy. You know, they know that there's no stability in that situation. That's not for everybody, just for a couple of y'all out there. Come here. See? I'm telling y'all, it's a family situation that's taking place. And this is why they were being really immature and childish towards you. But the thing is, they want to have a family with you. They want to move forward with you. I'm seeing celebration. See? This person's going to come back like the Emperor. They want stability with you. But there's going to be a shakeup if they don't get moving. Clarify the Tower. Yep. There is a shakeup that's going to take place. And now they're trying to figure out what exactly to do. See? Because now, yes, they're going to give you an offer, but they're having to take care of someone else or other people, and that's the problem. So it's like while they're trying to get that together, yes, they are keeping an eye on you, but this was a lesson for them. And guess what? They learned their lesson because now they want to move forward with you. Now they're coming into this Emperor energy, and now they're remaining positive, you know. They're going after what it is that they want. They're no longer having a hard time. They know who they want to be with. They know what they need to do. They're just still moving a little slow to make it happen. Because they feel like the seeds that were planted with you, they want them to grow. See, they're going to take a leap. They're coming, Gemini. But see, they feel like it's too late. They don't know if they're going to be able to work things out and turn things around with you because of everything that they put you through. Alright, Gemini, that was your reading. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if it resonates for you. If you're interested in a personal reading, I will leave my information in the description box. Okay, guys, I will talk to you soon. Love you all. Bye, Gemini. Bye, Gemini. Bye.